Question 19. Calculate 602 times 57. A bit of long multiplication, but I'm going to use what's called the magic zero method. Now then, what we're going to do first is we're going to set it up in columns. So 602 times 57, remember your column headings, so we've got hundreds, tens and units. And we need 3 lines of working out. What these 3 lines are for will become clear as we go through the question. So the first line, we start with the units. So we're going to times all of 602 by 7. So we're going to do 7 2s, 7 zeros, and then 7 6s. So let's start with that. 7 2s are 14. Put your 4 in, carry your 1. 7 zeros are 0, plus that 1 is 1. And 7 6s are 42. Put your 2 in. Now you could carry your 4, but as soon as we've run out of columns, we might as well just put the 4 straight in. Next row. This is the tricky row. We now need to move on to the tens. We've already timed everything by 7, so we've done 7 2s, 7 zeros, 7 6s. We now need to move on to this 5 and times everything by 5. However, this 5 doesn't just mean 5, it's in the tens column, so it means 50. So we're actually timesing by 50. 602 times 50. Now to times by 50, the quick trick is to put your magic 0 on the end in the units column and then multiply everything else just by 5, because it has the same effect as timesing by 50. So we're going to go 5 2s, 5 zeros, 5 6s. 5 2s, 5 zeros, 5 6s. So 5 2s are 10. Put your 0 in, carry your 1. 5 zeros are 0, plus that 1 is 1. And 5 6s are 30. Put your 0 in. Now we could carry the 3, but because we've reached the end column, we might as well just put the 3 in. And that's the second row done. On the final row, we've got to add these 2 answers together. Now the reason for this is because the blue writing is 7 lots of 602 and the orange writing is 50 lots of 602. Put the 2 together and we'll get 57 lots, and that's what we're looking for. So 4 plus 0 is 4, 1 plus 0 is 1, 2 plus 1 is 3, 4 plus 0 is 4, and then we've just got a 3 on its own, which is 3. So the final answer is 34,314. Notice that I did not, when I was doing my final adding up at the end, include any digits that I'd carried here and here. That was because I'd already included those in my blue and my orange calculations. So when you're adding up at the end, don't include any digits that you've already carried. Final answer, 34,314.